What happens if your green card expires while you're waiting for citizenship? Friends, we're going to talk about this question in this video. This question came up recently during one of my live Q&As. Now, this topic is really important to address, friends, because this year we're going through an election season and our government is highly motivated to approve more naturalization cases. Now, before we get into that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for commenting. You guys are the best. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of my videos each week. My name is Latoya McBean Pompey, and I'm an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients nationwide and across the globe. Reach out to us, friends, at McBean Law at 888-462-4006 or at McBeanLaw.com to talk about your immigration case or problem, and we'd be more than happy to assist you. Now, let's answer the question of what happens if my green card expires while I wait for citizenship. It's really important to mention that a valid green card is essential, friends, when you're applying for citizenship through naturalization, through the form N-400, the application for naturalization. Now, you have to be a resident for 5 years or 3 years under a marriage-based green card in order to apply for citizenship. That's the first thing. Secondly, USCIS updated their policy regarding this issue. If you file Form N-400 on or after December 12, 2022, then your green card is automatically extended by 24 months after the expiration date listed on the card. And once you file this form, the receipt notice along with your expired green card is valid evidence of unexpired lawful permanent residence status. But you might be asking, well, what if I filed Form N-400 before December 12th, 2022? In that case, you're going to want to file Form I-90, which is the application to replace permanent residence card, if it's been expired for more than 24 months especially, but you should do it anyways. This form is also used if your green card has been lost, stolen, or destroyed. But if you're not sure, you should visit the USCIS website and look at their guidelines about replacing your green card. Now, also keep in mind that the Form I-90 is only valid for permanent residents or the 10-year green card. If you're a conditional permanent resident, you're going to need to file the I-751 petition to remove conditions on residents. Now, if you file the Form I-751 after January 25th, 2023, your green card will automatically be extended by 48 months after its original expiration date. Again, the receipt for this form is proof of permanent resident status along with your expired green card. The next thing you might be wondering is, well, can I travel with an expired green card? Maybe you want to visit family or friends or go on vacation. Now, traveling with an expired green card might cause some difficulties with re-entering the United States. So it's advisable that you first file the Form I-90 and have the application receipt notice along with the expired green card with you at the time that you leave the United States so that you could avoid problems re-entering the US. The next question that you might be asking is, well, how much does it cost to apply for citizenship? New USCIS fees are going into effect on April 1st, 2024. So this is a really good and relevant question. Your Form N-400 is going to be $710 for online applications and $760 for paper or mail-in applications. Now, USCIS does offer a fee reduction for certain individuals who fall below the federal poverty guidelines. Check USCIS's website to see whether you meet the requirements for a fee reduction. But if you do meet the requirement, the cost for the application will be $380 if you meet all of the criteria. So all in all, friends, an expired green card itself is not going to get you deported. And in most cases, it's not going to be a significant issue with applying for citizenship. You just have have to fix the issue as soon as you can and be mindful of the expiration dates and automatic extensions now that we've gone through all of them. Make sure to always consult with an experienced immigration lawyer to discuss your situation and to advise you accordingly. Friends, if you have any further questions about your status, green card, and citizenship, reach out to us at McBean Law. We'd be happy to speak with you and to guide you accordingly. Again, we can be reached at 888-462-4006 or at McBeanLaw.com. Friends, thanks so much for being with me in this one. Comment below, share it with others, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.